This is a 4x4 dog-themed photo journal album. Has a raised up on the top, tie closure. Open it up, and your first page has a flip up that has a little journaling card or photo mat. And these could fit a 3x3 photo very easily. This is a belly band for a photo or journaling card. Also, 3x3 here. You could open it up, and these are little tuck spots. You could tuck a photo in there or whatever. And then two magnetic closures in the middle. They open up like this, and very easily could put 3x3 photos. Close it up, open the next page. This one also has a flip up with a pocket and a journaling card. And also, so you could get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, at least 12 photos in this book. And then there's the binding and the back.